Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your phone. First, download the Notion app from your device's app store, whether it's an iPhone or Android. Once installed, you can easily sign up for a new, free account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean, intuitive mobile interface. It's designed for quick access to all your workspaces and pages, making productivity on the go incredibly simple and efficient. You'll be ready to organize your thoughts in just a few taps. Navigating Notion on your phone is straightforward. Tap the three horizontal lines icon, usually found in the top left corner, to open your sidebar. From here, you can effortlessly switch between multiple workspaces or jump directly to your favorite and recently viewed pages. The powerful search bar, often located at the top, allows you to instantly find any piece of information, document, or task across your entire Notion setup. It's designed for efficiency, ensuring you can always locate what you need in seconds. Creating content on your Notion mobile app is incredibly simple. To start a new page, just tap the prominent plus icon, typically found at the bottom of your screen. You can then choose from a wide array of pre-built templates or begin with a completely blank page to customize it yourself. Notion uses blocks for all content, easily add text, headings, bullet points, to-do lists, or even embed images and web links. This modular system gives you immense flexibility to structure your information exactly how you need it. Keeping your Notion workspace organized on your phone is effortless. You can easily drag and drop pages to rearrange them within your sidebar or inside other pages, creating a hierarchical structure that makes sense to you. Collaboration is also a breeze. Share any page with colleagues or friends by tapping the share icon. You have full control over permissions, allowing you to decide who can view, comment, or edit your content. This ensures your information is both accessible and secure, fostering productive teamwork from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.